Hello everyone, it's Francis with Your Book of Memories. I'm back with a brand new project and I cannot wait to flip through this one with you. I created a traveler's notebook inspired mini album, and the technique I used to create this was just an absolute blast to figure out. I've got a pencil holder, and for this I actually ended up using a paper pack I got from Utah by Simple Stories. It's the Open Road Collector's Essential Kit. So you get the cardstock sticker sheet, you get this other total sticker sheet with like tabs and stuff, and then you got all these bits and pieces and even journal bits. So I even had a pack of the foam stickers, the super adorable foam sticker. I just really went to town on this one. It's a total traveling mini album, so it goes with you, fits in a bag. The spine is expandable. It's a totally different technique, and I came up with I sat there and tried to think of a way that I can have an adaptable, squishy, stable spine that also has like the curvature of a journal. I just went to town. So right here I have a simple little cutout, actually came out of the bits and pieces, and then this is one of the foam stickers right here, and then some enamel dots that came with another collection that matched the Simple Stories. I think it was by Take Note, and then I have a place to hold a pen or a pencil, and we customized this in class. So I had a lot of fun teaching how to do that. And then the rounded corners for a notebook feel. And the intention for this design was to take it with you during traveling and stuff a bunch of stuff in it. So this is 100% chipboard cover and spine. This is probably my #1 favorite book design that I've ever made, and I can't wait to go through all of it. Right here, right off the bat, you've got a front and side cover. I used that gorgeous diagonal. Look at this sweet paper. I love stripes. You guys know me, I love rainbows as well. So I've got some enamel dots right here and a front inside cover file folder style pocket, again with that rounded edge. And then it's kind of like a spin-off on a traditional writer's notebook. Okay, so I layered up a couple of the stickers and the little bits and pieces there. Keep rolling with an adorable little bug right here. Just love it. The banners, the pieces, the little cloud, everything in this collection is adorable. Check out these awesome little enamel dots. So right here in this corner, you're probably thinking it's just normal, but I actually made some slots in this little piece here, so I just love it. And I got some awesome little pieces from the collection here. I cut this tag out of the paper collection, and I actually only used one paper pack, and I totally created this whole mini album journal. And look how fun, and you can customize all the little different pieces in here. I seriously went for it. And these tuck right back in here. I just love this little assembly, and this picture mat holds a 4x6 uncropped photo on the front and back. And then I have some 2x2 spots right here. I layered up bits and pieces and stickers. This little film strip style page flips over. I've got this awesome little pin right here with a cute flower. I just decked it out. Now the spine is structured in such a specific way. I love it. I will be leaving the tutorial down in the description for you. I can't wait for you to join this class with me. I just had so much fun. And right here on this page, we've got a cool envelope. I totally just decorated it a ton with every single, I was trying to use everything I had. There's a cool little magnetic closure in here. I've got a mini paper clip. I actually got that from the Mom and Me scrapbooking store in Utah. You could do some journaling on the back of this cute little, wouldn't that be adorable? I just tucked that right in here. And then a cool little notch. So this album is really all about journaling and sticking memorabilia through your travels. So there's a lot of pockets in this one. And aren't these just the cutest cut aparts you've ever seen? You can place a picture on the back of this as well. And these all just go right back in here. Now you can fit a total 4x6 postcard in here. Don't have to trim it down. And then that magnetizes closed. We flip it over, got a nice 4x6 spot right here. I love the word explore. And then this was my additional little writing space. So of course, when we're traveling, we have like little things that we want to talk about, things to remember. I created a grid little signature in here. Isn't that just so cute? I simply attached it with a piece of baker's twine that's red and white. And then in here, you have tons of writing space. It's like a journal spin-off. It's a mini album. It's a notebook. I doodled on it. You could doodle in here. It's just every little page is so much fun. I got like a cool little detour. That does sometimes happen when we're traveling. And I even see myself look at all these bits and pieces I just stuck in here. I could see myself totally journaling in this later. I already want to make another one. And if you guys are part of the membership, you gain access to this class and every other class I've ever created in my entire career. This one launched today, and it is officially my 90th project class that I taught. So look how cute that little camper is. It doesn't get cuter than this paper pack. Simple Stories always knocks it out of the park. I've got some more layered stickers, and I just keep going with my enamel dots. I'm layering up stickers and journal bits. And I just keep going. I have like a cute little scenic route. This came with the ephemera pack, and I just kind of did a little tuck spot right there. And I ran away with it. And right here, you'll notice some pockets that are facing in towards the spine. That's for traveling purposes. So if anything falls, it stays inside the book. So I've got some tags in here, some circle notches. These are just emulating the different little things that you'll collect. Maybe parking tickets, boarding passes, tags. I mean, you can almost go art journal direction with these. So I just stuck these in there just to give you an example of what you can do with this book. And I can't wait to make another one, and I can't wait to see what you end up making. Be sure to actually download the app. It's free. Download the YBM app. And when you join, you have access to hang out in there. We do monthly album challenges, sharing our projects amongst each other. And then you can share your version of your traveling mini album with us. Can't wait to see it. I stuck these little bits and pieces here. A couple more enamel dots in the top right corner. Is that the cutest thing or what? Here's some 2x2 spots. I love it. This cute little tag, this was set up actually like this. Isn't that sweet? Bouncing the red around this page. And I talk about the way that I map pages. I go 100% start to finish with you on how to make this entire construction. I cut the chipboard with you. I score everything with you. Comes with the cut list. 4x6 picture on the back. Adventure Waits. I love it. 2x2 photo spots right there. Keeping it simple. These little pieces go right back in here. And then I've got another 4x6 uncropped photo space right here. I use this cute little simple paper clip right there to attach some more little fun little bits. Freedom across this awesome little piece. This came out of the ephemera pack as well. So I really love all those pieces. Right on the back of that page, you actually have a cluster right here on the top of this flap. I even tapered my envelope flaps, and I teach you how to mat that nice and good. We open this up. That's another magnetic closure. You can fit more postcards in here, or other 4x6 photos. I mean, that's just a total blast. You can even stick things like this right there. The possibilities are endless with this book. Probably my favorite page is this really big one with the 3 photo spots. Of course, everything is tuckable, right? So anytime I have some things overlaying picture mats, I have space behind the images for you to tuck your picture. So whoever receives this can put their photos in there. And I'm obsessed with it. I've got a cool little tab actually over here from the sticker collection. I just put one of the stickers on the side. They give you double. And then I stuck a sentiment right there. Now I love the pencil holder. The design for that was a blast to come up with. Just a simple pencil or pen. You can customize it really to hold any size pencil, and it slides right back in there, nice and stable to go in and out of a bag. I love this cute little pin with a couple more enamel dots. They're the glossy kind. And here's the back of that tab with another little freedom sticker. And then 2 nice big photo spots right here that are actually pockets, so I've stuffed some more little memorabilia in here. Emulating what you can do with this design. You can also put pictures, journal, and treat it like a regular mini album. You can stuff more in here than I have. I just love these little arrows and the little pins throughout the collection. They are just way too cute. And you could just get creative with it. Put anything you want in here. Another little film strip page right here for 2x2 pictures. And you could do some journaling there if you wanted. Now here's a back pouch that I created. Here's a nice big word, journey. I thought that went perfectly right there. This opens up, magnetic closure. We did like an envelope notch in here. These little pieces come out, and you could stuff way more in there than I have. This came with the collection. I just love it. Have a little mini paper clip right there and a couple little elements. And then again, one of those little front and back little stickers there. Says Rome on this side. And I just love it. It's so sweet. And then we just totally envelope notched that. Way more stuff can fit in this pouch. That closes back up. This was just an absolute journey to create this. I cannot wait to see your rendition. All the details for the tutorial are down in the description for you. And thank you everyone so much for hanging out with me. And I'll see you next time. Bye.